Hello students. In the previous video, we had completed the lesson The Weeds in the Garden. Now, in today's video, we shall be discussing textual question answers along with some extra question answers. So let us begin. Textual question answers. Question number 1. List all the words and phrases in the story that indicate time. Answer to this is throughout his life, early in the morning, when, time and again, soon, then, after the hard work, early one morning, suddenly, and never. These are the words in the lesson which indicate time. Now question number 2. Add a proper prefix under prefix like up, un, dis, into the following to form opposites. The answer to this is happy, unhappy, root, uproot, effective, ineffective, noticed, unnoticed, believe, disbelieve, civilized, uncivilized, continue, discontinue. Now we shall turn to question number 3. Answer the following questions. In that, sub-question 1. When do the parents feel sorry and become unhappy? Parents feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. And when even a scolding has no effects, the parents become unhappy. Now, question number 2. What methods did Anshuman's parents use to warn Anshuman about his bad habits? Except for beating Anshuman, his parents used gentle words, strict warnings, and scolding him now and then to warn him about his bad habits. Now question number 3. What did Anshuman's father compare bad habits to? Anshuman's father compared bad habits to weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. Now question number 4. Use the following phrases in your own sentences. I am giving you the example. You can use the phrase in your own sentences. The first phrase is in vain, that is without success. The meaning of it is without success. The sentence in which we can use it is the football team tried its best to win but in vain. Second one, get a hold of means to take possession. The police got hold of the criminal after a long search. Third one, to get rid of, to do away with or to discard. The sentence to it will be, we are going to get rid of our old car for a new one. Now the next question is, do people admit that they have bad habits? Answer to it is, people never admit to themselves that they have bad habits because everyone wants to see themselves well or good. Everyone's good in their eye or sight. Then the next question, B. What can we do to get rid of bad habits? First of all, we have to understand that some bad habits are in us or developing in us. We also have to think about the harm caused by bad habits. When we think about the seriousness, automatically our mind becomes ready to get rid of the bad habits. Now the third part of it is question C, do's and don'ts for young children. First of all, I will read the do's part of it. Talk less and listen more. Wash hands before eating. Eat everything served in the plate. Be neat and clean. Speak politely. Respect parents and elders. Help parents and friends. Now I shall read out the don'ts. Talk more and listen less. Eat with dirty hands. Waste food. Be untidy and unclean. Speak loudly. Disrespect everyone. Ignore those in needs. I hope you will keep all these do's and don'ts in your mind. Now, we shall discuss some extra questions. Answer the following. What did Anshuman refuse to believe? Answer. Anshuman refused to believe that he was letting the bad habits get a hold over him. How did Anshuman's parents want to correct his son? Anshuman's parents wanted to be loving and good while correcting their son. What did Anshuman's father do while taking him around the farm? Anshuman's father described the specialities of various plants, vines, bushes, and trees while taking him around the farm. How was the weed plant pulled out? Anshuman's father brought some implements. They dug around the weed and with great efforts managed to pull the weed plant out. Why couldn't Anshuman pull out the plant? Anshuman could not pull out the plant because its roots had gone deep into the soil. What did father use to dig out the weed? Father used implements to dig out the weed. Question number 7. Why should we not develop bad habits? Developing bad habits spoils our character. You also lose love, respect, and trust of your parents and friends. This is all for today. I hope you have understood the lesson.